Marinetown has a goal to stay at the top of the creativity game when it comes to marine hardware. Our over-center latches are no exception. The entire line is designed for longevity in the marine environment. They're made of cast 3/16 stainless steel for a brilliant streamlined appearance and a comfortable feel. All of them feature a unique strike which can be rotated on its offset center, allowing fine-tuning of the final adjustment. They come with a locator jig for precise strike alignment and are available in both locking and non-locking configurations. Don't just hold it closed with elegance.